Good day wherever you are watching from. You're welcome to this learning platform. I am Mr. Maro. Today we'll be talking about division of binaries, and there are some key things we need to know when we want to divide binary numbers. So I'll be outlining them on the board, and we will solve with those outlined rules or steps rather. Quickly, let me give you the steps to follow when you want to divide in binary numbers. The first thing we need to do when dividing binary numbers is to first convert from base 2, which is binary, to base 10. Convert from base 2 to base 10. You want to ask why? Why we convert from base 2 to base 10? Because base 10 is in natural form, or we can say natural numbers. They are in the natural form or natural numbers. So when they are in base 10, every other manipulation can take place. So when they are in base 10, the next step we need to take is to divide in base 10, to divide the quotient. Let me write that. To divide the quotient. Divide the quotient in base 10. So we're going to divide the various quotients in base 10. So here, we'll get this in base 10, get it in base 10, we'll divide them. So after dividing them, the resultant of that division will now be converted back to base 2. Convert from base 10 back to base 2. We are going to follow these 3 steps. So for the sake of this teaching, we'll be doing just one example to explain because it's a very long process. So, but I promise you, it is very simple. It is easy. So let's follow the steps. Number 1, we have to convert from base 2 to base 10. So this is base 2. We'll take them one after the other. Then we'll convert to base 10. So we are converting this to base 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't know how to convert from base 2 to base 10, please check out our previous videos on binary where we convert from base 2 to base 10. So this will be 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Let's see what that will give to us. 2 raised to the power of 5, that will give us 32 plus that will give us 16. 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8. 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 0, of course, will give us 1. Will give us 1. So this will be 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Let's see what that will give to us. 32 plus 16, okay, plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, okay. I think that will be giving us 63 in base 10. 63 in base 10. So for the sake of this is 63 in base 10. So let's find out what this will give us in base 10. So I'll wipe this off. we already got 63, converting this to base 10. So I'll wipe it off and check what 11 in base 2 will give us in base 10. So this is just be 0, 1, this base 2. That's 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. So 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So that will be giving us 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, that will be 3 in base 10. So this is giving us 3 in base 10. So I can wipe this off so that we continue. So we want to actually get the quotient. This is 63, this is 3. So 63 divided by 3, that will be 21. This is in base 10. So what this means in base 2 is 21 in base 10. Now don't forget, the question is saying division of binary. So we want to get that value in binary. All we need to do is to convert 21 back to 21 in base 10 back to base 2. And you therefore know that converting from base 10 to base 2, all you need to do is to divide by 2. Now that's the last step. We are converting from base 10 back to base 2. So in base 10 we got that's 63, sorry, I think 3, yeah, 3. That'll be 21 in base 10. So we are converting 21 in base 10 back to base 2. So that's 21. Let's see. Let's convert that back to base 2. Now 21 divided by 2, we're having 10 remainder 1. 2 divided by 10 divided by 2, we'll be having 5 remainder 0. 5 divided by 2, we'll be having 2 remainder 1. 2 divided by 2, we'll be having 2 divided by 2, we have 1 remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 is 0 remainder 1. So you can see that it is from bottom to top. So that will be 1 0 1 0 1 base 2. Therefore we can say that 1 1 1 1 1 1 divided by 1 1 is equals to 1 0 1 0 1 base 2. Now this is not the only step in, and this is not the only method in solving and dividing of binaries, but this is basically the accurate method. Others is actually like try and error method. So but this will take your time, but it's worth it, because at the end you are getting the correct values. So if you follow through this, you've been able to know how to convert from how to divide in binary. How to divide in binary. Like I told you, division in binary, we need you to know the rules, the steps which have been outlined out here. So if you have been blessed, or if you have learned something from this video, I will encourage you, beg you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow and like our Facebook and Instagram pages, follow our content, so that when we drop new content, you will be the first to get the notification. Share and like our videos, support our hard work. Don't forget, I am Mr. Maro.